everyone, I'm your Soumya and today we are in Anand Institute of Higher Technology College, which is located in OMR, and now we have come here to see all the departments and the lab facilities over here. And if you see, this is a green and clean campus, and there are also many transport facilities over here. There are bus standing over here. Come, let's go into the college and see. Now we are looking at all those buses. There are also good transport facility over here in this college. There might be more than 30 buses over here, which helps the student to reach to college and then back to home. It keeps them safe in the travel. So in this college they offer PG courses as well as UG courses, and in UG they offer BE and BTech, and in PG courses they offer ME and MBA. So in BTech they offer biotechnology, IT and AI, and in BE they offer CSE, EEE, ECE, mechanical and civil. Computer science and engineering. Come, let's go into the lab and see. So now we are in the CSE lab, and one of our lecturers is here with us to tell us more things about the lab and the students and the department over here. Hello ma'am.
Hello,
Yeah, your name please.
I'm Malati.
And tell me something about yourself and the lab and the students.
So I'm Malati. I'm working in our department for the last 14 years. Then our department is a NBA accredited department, and we have Wipro certified Campus Connect, well-trained Infosys Campus Connect trainers also. And then our students, they are all very disciplined students, and we are interacting with the students in a very friendly manner. We are conducting many languages also in our lab, like Python, Java programming, and machine learning, etc.
Yeah, thank you ma'am. And then can you also please tell us something about the placements of the students?
So yeah, our students are placed in the topmost companies like Wipro, Infosys, then TCS, Capgemini, Accenture, etc. etc.
Yeah, yes ma'am. And then how do you think this lab and the department is helping a student to improve his or his own life?
Yeah, we are taking subjects like Python and then Java programming. So these programming languages are very helpful and useful to the career also.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now one of our CSE faculty is here with us to tell us something about the projects that is done by them. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, your name please.
Maheshwari from CSE department. I am working as an assistant professor for the past 13 years.
Yeah, happy to hear that. And can you tell us something about the projects, funded projects done by you and the students?
Yeah, we received the many projects by students as well as our staff. Recently we received a DST sponsored project 41.7 lakhs on the titled Impact Assessment of the Mega Food Park Scheme by the food processing industry. And FIST lab we established by 40 lakhs funded by the DST FIST department, as well as our one of the student received a 10 lakhs for Brain Belt Scheme Technologies project, and also he started the startup company. That's all.
Yeah, thank you so much ma'am for explaining. ECE department, and one of our faculty is here with us to explain all about the department and the lab here. Hello sir.
Hello.
Your name please.
My name is Bharat Babu, Associate Professor in Anand Institute of High Technology.
Okay. So can you please tell us something about the scope of the department?
ECE department, students can work in both IT services and core engineering.
Okay.
So this is one of the most advantages comparing with other departments.
Okay, so now we are in the lab, and how do you think, in what way does it help the student to improve themselves?
So in ECE department we are having six labs.
Okay.
In the labs they will be doing the academic experiments and also they will be doing projects, real-time projects they will be performing here.
Okay. Here is one of our faculty to tell us more about the funded projects. Hello sir.
Hi,
Yeah, your name please.
I am Lokesharan, Assistant Professor, working in Anand Institute of Technology for the past 11 years.
Okay, can you please tell us something about the funded project that is done by students?
In Anand Institute of Technology, especially in electronics and communication engineering, students are very much interested in doing the funded projects, and we had a couple of projects in DS. We are doing a couple of projects in DST, and in EDI we have got sanction for 2 projects. One is hybrid bag, and then smart flower harvesting system, and they got cash prize of 10 lakhs per projects. And we are also doing some technical events, inter-college technical events, as well as intra-college technical events, that is non-stop 24 hours technical events like hackathon, that is Hackfest 2K17 and Hackfest 2K18.
Yeah, thank you sir. Thank you for explaining about your projects. Now we are in the IT department, and our one of our ma'am is here with us to tell us more things about the department, the lab, and about the scope of the students, about the job opportunity and the placements over here. Hello ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your name please.
So I'm Shakuntala.
Yeah. Can you please tell us something about the scope of this department, the IT?
So our IT departments provide quality education to develop the students with the advanced emerging new trends in the field of information technology to improve their technological skill via continuous learning process and enhance their social responsibility. This is the scope of our IT department.
Okay. And then, ma'am, is there any placements in this college, and about the achievements of the students?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So our departments collaborated with the various IT concerns such as Wipro, Infosys, etc. And our students are placed in various reputed IT concerns, that is Wipro, Coding Mart, then TCS, CTS, etc.
So, is there any achievements the students achieved?
Yes, ma'am. So our students had developed one that is AHD Career Info project for 12th standards. That mobile apps is launched in the Google Play Store. Next, they won the best hackathon award for the project. That is the alerting staff and about the performance of attendance in the hackathon.
That was something great to hear, ma'am. Thank you so much. So now we are in the department of MBA, and our HOD is here with us to tell us more things about his department. Hello sir.
Hello madam.
Yeah, your name please.
I am Dr. S. Bharati Vasu, Professor, Department of Management Studies, Anand Institute of Higher Technology.
Okay. So can you please tell us something about your department?
We started the MBA department in the year of 2006 with the intake of 60 students, and we offer specializations in the field of marketing, HR, finance, systems and operations. Our students know they are placed in well-reputed organizations, and till now 13 batches of students they have successfully completed the degree program, and every year we used to produce all candidates who will meet the industry requirements and need. So we can say that our faculty members are having more experience in the teaching field as well as in the industrial background. So they used to teach to the students that match with the industry's requirement.
That was something great to hear, sir. So now we are in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So here is our Mechanical Engineering HOD with us. We'll ask him something about the department and the students and the placements over here. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, your name please.
I am Dr. P. Pazalamuthu, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Anand Institute of Technology, Chennai.
Yeah. So can you please tell us something about your department?
Yes. Our Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in the year 2003. Our Department of Mechanical Engineering well popular with industries, mechanical industries, and has well equipped laboratories in keeping with latest trends.
So yeah, great to hear that, sir. Then can you please tell us something about your staff here and the students? How are they performing?
Yeah, our staff members are well qualified. They are not only committed to teaching and involved in various research and development activities. They have published various research articles in international journals and filed patents also. In addition to teaching, we have arranged various guest lectures from reputed institutes like Anna University, IIT and NITs. Our students involved in various extracurricular activities like conferences, seminars, workshops and sports activities and all-terrain vehicle championships also. In every year, our students participating in all-terrain vehicle championship and won prizes. In last year, they secured first place in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Yeah. So then, sir, that was happy to hear. And can you please tell us something about the placement that the students are set here?
Yeah, our students are placed in various reputed mechanical industries like TVS, Renault Nissan, FL Smith, KK Precision, Rambal, etc.
Yeah, that was great to hear, sir. Thank you so much for telling us all about your department, staff and the students and also about the placements. Thank you, sir. So now we are in the mechanical lab and come let us go in and see. Oh my goodness, see there are over very big machines and there are many machines, around 55 students can use it the lab at a time. All about the college, we have seen all departments and all about the laboratories over here. So now like, share and subscribe our Get Application channel and don't forget to press the bell button.